Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. First, I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments, and please continue doing so. Let's go on to the video. First car I'm going to show you is this 1968 Dodge Dart lightweight. It's a Hemi Dart. That's Dick Landy's car. That's a car most Americans know since he was a very famous racer. It's a very nice car. It's about 3 inches long. It's a 1:64 scale. And I've made a comparison between this Dart and a 1969 Dart by Johnny Lightning, which is correct in scale, and I've checked this car is also correct in scale. Next one is a Shirley Stephen Dragon Lady 1more68 Dart. That's a very nice blue and white drag racing Dodge Dart. It's also a Hemi lightweight. And then let's go to this, which is a 1970 Dart Swinger. That's supposed to be a Panther Pink, I think. It's got this wing in the back. I'm really not crazy about. I'd rather not have it, but it's okay. The car is very nice. This is made by Johnny Lightning. You can see it is a very nice engine. Perhaps it's a 383. It's a very nice front, very well detailed car. So I like it very much. Then we have this other 1970 Dart I like very much. That's a sort of a Black Bandit, but it's made by Johnny Lightning. That's a flat black Dart with rubber tires and steel wheels. That's very nice, really. I like this car a lot. The other one is one more 1970 Dart. That's a Dart, that's a police car. It's also made by Johnny Lightning. Let's move on to some Greenlights. This is a 1965 Ford Galaxie 500. That's very nice. That's awesome. I've shown you some Racing Champions Ford Galaxies before, but I still like Greenlight Galaxies better because of details, the taillights, headlights, front. That's a great car. It's about 3 1/4 inch long. That's another one. That's one more 65 for a Galaxie. That's a red one. It's awesome. Well, last but not least, this very nice, this gorgeous 1966 Ford Galaxie 500. That's beautiful. I love it. I like the lines of this car. Rubber tires, vinyl top, and a black interior. This beige color looks fantastic. I like this rear and the taillights. It's really a very nice car. And the bottom, the chassis, you can see it's very well made by Greenlight. Well, that's going to be it for now. Stay tuned for some more videos. So click on the bell. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Leave your comments and your likes below. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.